In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a template, how to pick a template and use it in Excel. So if you already have an Excel spreadsheet open, you simply go to File, New. You will have templates. You'll have the new screen show up. You'll have templates. And also go out of here. We can close Excel. If I start Excel from scratch, we'll be on the recent screen. And we will also have templates over here. So depending on what do you want to use Excel for? Do you want to make a calendar? Do you want to make something to track a budget? Do you want to make some charts? Create invoices for customers? There's all kinds of different ways to use Excel. It's unlimited. So let's start with a template that is already here on our screen. So maybe a personal monthly budget. So click on there. It's pretty colorful. It gives us some numbers up here. It kind of analyzes our information. Gives us a little report at the top. Looks kind of interesting. Let's see if we want to use it. It doesn't hurt to create it, and if we don't like it, we can always close it. So click Create. So it downloads it, and then it opens. It gives us a few directions about this template. So it talks about it a little bit. Additional instructions have been provided in column A in personal monthly budget worksheet. So let's go over here, and here's some directions. And maybe it's something we like, maybe it's not. Maybe it's not what we like. So we can hit the close button up here. It says, do you want to save it? We can hit don't save. I'm going to hit cancel for now. I'm going to show you File, Close, don't save. And if we hit close on File, and we go to close, like I did, it leaves Excel, the program, it leaves it open rather than shutting it completely down, having to restart it. So let's go to File, New, goes to our new screen, and here are some more templates. And up here, I want to type in calendar and hit enter to search, and it's going to go online, and it's going to find probably hundreds of examples of calendars. There's no telling how many calendar templates there are. You could take any of these calendar templates and use them. Shift work calendar. Maybe you're setting up a shift work calendar for individuals at work. Create, and here's our calendar. I'm going to close this one. I don't want to save it. File, New. I'm going to put in, let's type in budget this time. Budget. And let's see what we get. And if you look over here in the categories, this kind of shows you might be able to narrow it down. So maybe event. Maybe an event budget. Here's a bathroom remodel cost. So that's an event, remodeling your bathroom. Financial management. Same thing. Let's take budget out of there. Well, let's go home. Goes back home for us. Wonder what would be something else we could search for. Expense report. And you would have different examples of expense reports. You can create one for your company or for yourself to keep track of your expenses for work or for home. Maybe you have a small business. You can track the expenses that the money you're spending for that business. Logs. Mileage log. There's a mileage log. Keep track of your mileage so you can turn it in, get paid for the miles you're driving for work. But let's click on it, create. And there it is. So it can save a lot of time. If you're not somebody that likes to format and make your Excel spreadsheet look friendly, user friendly, or lay out nicely, you know how to use it, you can rely on, you get started with somebody else's template.